Hello and welcome to this video on how to start investing in the stock market for beginners. If you've ever wondered about investing in stocks but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over time, but it can also be overwhelming for beginners. In this video, I'll be walking you through the basics of stock market investing, so you can get started with confidence. Part 1. Understanding the stock market. Before you start investing in stocks, it's important to understand what the stock market is and how it works. The stock market is a place where publicly traded companies sell shares of their ownership to investors. These shares are bought and sold on stock exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. As an investor, you can buy and sell shares of these companies, which means you own a small part of the company and can potentially profit from its success. Part 2. Types of stocks. There are two main types of stocks: common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks are the most common type of stock, and they give you voting rights in the company. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, give you priority over common stockholders when it comes to receiving dividends and assets in the event of bankruptcy. It's important to understand the differences between these two types of stocks before you start investing. Part 3. Investing strategies. There are many different strategies for investing in the stock market, but some of the most popular ones include value investing, growth investing, and index investing. Value investing involves buying stocks that are undervalued by the market, while growth investing involves buying stocks of companies with high growth potential. Index investing involves buying a basket of stocks that track a particular market index, such as the S&P 500. Each of these strategies has its own risks and rewards, and it's important to choose the strategy that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Part 4. Creating a portfolio. Once you've decided on your investment strategy, it's time to start building your portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of stocks and other investments that you own. It's important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of stocks across different sectors and industries. This can help reduce your overall risk, as different stocks may perform differently depending on market conditions. Part 5. Investing tips for beginners. Finally, here are some tips for beginners to keep in mind when investing in the stock market. Start small. It's important to start with a small investment and gradually increase your investment over time as you gain more experience. Do your research. Before investing in a company, research its financials, industry, and competitors. Don't panic. The stock market can be volatile, but it's important to stay calm and not make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Have a long-term perspective. Investing in the stock market is a long-term game, and it's important to have a long-term perspective when making investment decisions. Conclusion. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over time, but it's important to approach it with caution and a long-term perspective. By understanding the basics of stock market investing and following these tips, you can get started with confidence and work towards achieving your investment goals. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.